What's going on? Ooh. Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. What's going on, man? Real quick, got a customer with a 2013 Caravan, only 98K. Number 4 cylinder started missing. Rocker arms was completely destroyed. Yes, that is the first gen Pentastar, my friend. Not only that, this year model, that is bank 2. If you're on cylinder 4, bank 2 carries cylinder 2, 4, and 6. So be careful on those exhaust valves. They burn up too. If I was you, and that car has the, if you're over 150,000 miles, there's a recall and extended warranty on all the 2011 through 2013 vehicles, not just the Caravan, vehicles with the Pentastar engine. FCA decided to extend your warranty up to 150,000. So if you got one of these vehicles and you have not reached 150,000 yet, you, my friend, have an extended warranty up until 150,000. For a cylinder head, if you have a misfire in cylinder 2, 4, or 6, you are entitled. Now, they make you go through a whole rigmarole. The mechanic's supposed to do a compression test, do a leak down test. He's supposed to verify that your misfire is not a result of secondary ignition, such as spark plug and coil and things like that. Once he do that, he's supposed to verify that it's not a valve train miss, such as a rock arm with the problem you having. Okay, once that's verified and he find out your problem is a result of a burnt exhaust valve or something like that, then and only then can he go, okay, this car got problems based on the recall warranty extension. You are entitled to a free head on bank 2. The dealer will put the head on, okay? But your case, you telling me the rocker arm failed, that's just a rocker arm job. And everybody always say, why ain't this warranty? Why ain't this warranty? Why won't Chrysler warranty this? Because, I mean, recall, why ain't this recall? Recall is pretty much reserved for safety issues. And I always say this and I always get in trouble. People, there's nothing unsafe about your ticking engine. Okay, now it's unflattering. It sounds terrible, but it's not. It doesn't take away any safety. It doesn't jeopardize your safety. So they will not issue a recall on stuff that doesn't jeopardize your safety. All right, you could be rolling down the road, ticket. Hey, dog, you still can go though, Now, if this was making you stop in the middle of the road and causing crashes, yeah, and it becomes a safety issue, we'll take care of it. But you just ticking. They're not going to recall that for that simple reason. Is my point. All right, rock arm was completely destroyed. If that rock arm was completely destroyed, chances are the cam lobe may have gotten damaged also. Seek those camshafts, okay? Also, make sure that lobe is still in place. They tend to eat up the lobe and it will cause misfire and cause everything. And guys, those shavings from that lobe go somewhere. The shavings or the material from the rocker arm will end up in the oil pan. Those powder shavings will likely, Tom Cook alerted me to this a while back, will sometime end up on that magnetic tone wheel on the camshaft, okay? It's a strong magnet. And that is powder shavings floating around from that camshaft being ate up. It's just floating around in the valve cover. And the tone wheel on the camshaft, like, come over here, we'll take it. And it just all accumulates on the tone wheel. So a lot of that would end up on that, my friend. Make sure oil galley, yes, are tight. Yeah, but he ate up rock arms, Tom. He said those rock arms was destroyed. Yep, but those gallery plugs will work their way loose and cause you all kinds of silly code. Good thinking, Tom, because I had another customer with a 3.6 Pentastar had blown head gasket. Really? Tore it down, sent the head to the machine shop, got it back, and the oil gallery plugs were hand tight. When I find that, I always take it all the way out and put Loctite on it so it won't come out. Guys, the thinking about that engine is a variable valve train, VVT style. So the correct oil pressure is crucial, right? Crucial. Crucial for everything to work properly. Now, we not in the habit of checking oil pressure. Number one, it is a lengthy process to properly check oil pressure on a Pentastar engine. Do you know you need the damn adapter? Well, you pull the oil filter out, all right? There's an adapter that you have a gauge running down into that adapter, and you put it back on with the oil filter, and you plug it up, and you watch your gauge. That's how you properly get oil pressure, okay? Nobody has that tool. I think I seen my buddy with Motor City Mechanic. He got one. I looked all over. Tom, where y'all at? I looked all over the shop. I can't find out. I had the bright idea to order me one just to do a video using it and on it. Because, guys, whether you like it or not, any VVT, hell, any engine, forget VVT, oil pressure is crucial. The correct amount of oil pressure is crucial. If you lose an oil pressure, it doesn't automatically mean the oil pump not doing its job. There are plenty of ways to lose oil pressure on a freaking Pentastar engine. Those oil gallery plugs, that will show up via your oil pressure gauge. In some cases, you can plug your gauge and turn the car and run it. You want to see oil pressure at idle. If it's lower than specs, why? This is a good time to find out. Now, nobody's going to remove freaking valve cover to check oil pressure or oil gallery plug while the car running. So if your oil pressure a little off, that is your chance to start looking at things like that. All right. A lot of guys ask me this all the time, and I leave that part out on purpose because I know they don't got the freaking oil pressure gauge adapter set up for Pentastar. When the last time anybody, do you know where you normally check oil pressure at on any car? You typically will unscrew the oil pressure sending unit, oil pressure sensor. You will unscrew it and stick your gauge in there. This Pentastar, that damn oil pressure switch is behind the oil filter adapter housing. So nobody can get back there with a freaking, get the sensor off and screw in your gauge and check oil pressure. So they had the bright idea to make an adapter that simply plugs right where the oil filter goes. That's easily accessible. You can check your oil pressure right there. All right. I'm getting that tool. I will be making a video using that tool. But yes, oil pressure is crucial, guys. It will cause all kinds of weird trouble codes and weird everything. You know, wait a minute. Great talk as usual. Who is this? Waiting something. I am really glad I found your channel. Hey man, waiting for parts. Why are you waiting for parts, man? Y'all parts department like ours. I mean, anyway, I appreciate you finding the channel also, man. I can use as many viewers and subscribers as possible, guys. I am nearing the 40K mark. All right. Yes, that is thanks to you guys. The more you guys watch and comment and this and that and the other, YouTube see that. Be like, okay, this dude over there working. He working his butt off. Actually, 2 videos a day? Okay, we're going to have to spread his video out. So the videos get spread out to a bigger audience and more people jump on. I appreciate it. But it all starts with the current crop now. The regulars. I appreciate it. If it weren't for the regulars, the channel wouldn't move. The regulars cause other people to flop, and you know, it's a vicious cycle. But I'm closing in on 40K, and I can't wait to get there. I'm doing a big, massive giveaway, guys, and gals. Miss Blitz be tuning in. So yeah, y'all look out for that.